While adding stickers, intro and outro stock footage on Capcut mobile apps on Android, loading error on Capcut is such an annoying issue for most editors. So in this video, I will walk you through some step-by-step guides that will fix loading issues for your Capcut mobile editing apps. Now to solve your problem, first you need to remove the software bugs. Open the Capcut, tap Setting, tap Clear Data, tap OK. Also, come on the first screen. Tap and hold the Capcut. Tap App Info, tap Clear Data, tap Clear Cache, tap OK. After removing the cache and cookies, now you need to fix your internet. Therefore, first you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer option, scroll down. First enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Choose always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is still not working well on your Android device, you can enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn off your airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile network to Wi-Fi. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you still have issues, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing, tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth Mobile Network. Tap on it. Now choose the SIM card that you are using for the internet. Now just reset your network for your device. After solving the internet issues, you now need to follow the last two things. First, ensure that the Capcut is up to date from the Google Play Store. After updating your apps, you need to restart your Android device and reopen the Capcut apps. Now, try to check your issues. Hopefully, after following all the processes, your problem will be solved.